All right, good morning. So we're having our breakfast here in the airport, and I've got my this is a set meal. So I've got my veggie salad and my salmon. All right, let's eat. This is a traditional Japanese breakfast. First, I'm gonna try the miso soup. Mhm. Mm, so good. And of course, I got my salad. It already has a what they call it, dressing on it. It has dressing on it. Mm, so good. And just a grilled salmon. Have this. Maybe I'm gonna like put this thing here. This is an appetizer. Gonna dip it here. That's good. And eat it together with my rice. Mm, mm, that's good. And I've got my egg too. Mm, these eggs look good. Mm, this is the typical Japanese breakfast. They have rice. Same with the Philippines, we eat rice during in breakfast. But but eh, it's so good. It's a set meal. All right, so you're gonna try Japanese breakfast when you come to Okinawa,